Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, in this lecture we are going to take a look how we can use this ellipse tool, and as we can see that it is located here. So select it by clicking it. Now again, how we can use it? Just like rounded rectangle tool and rectangle tool, just come inside your document, click at a point and start dragging. And see, you can see the preview, like how it will look. Now, when you are happy with your ellipse, just leave your mouse. That's it. Again, you can provide a color to it. You can provide a fill to it. You can provide a stroke to it. You can increase the stroke width also. So this is an ellipse, and again we have another way of creating it. How? Just by clicking at any point, and it will ask you the width and the height. Let's increase its height to say 600 point. Let's click on OK and say it's like this. Okay, now how we can create a circle using this ellipse tool? Again, we have two ways. One, click at a point, provide same width and height. So this time let's provide 300 width and height also, let's say 300. Click on OK and see, this is a circle. So this is method 1. And what's the second method? You need to just come to a point, click and start dragging. Now while dragging, make sure to hold the shift key. See, shift and drag. Now see, it's the perfect circle. You can even take a look at the width and the height. See, both are same. That's it. Now remember, you need to note a point, that is, you need to leave the mouse first and then the shift key. Okay, see, when I am drawing an ellipse, now let's hold the shift key and drag. See, now it's a perfect circle. Now let's leave the shift key first. See, again it's a normal ellipse, not circle. In order to maintain your circular shape, what you need to do is hold the shift key and then drag here and there, and after you are satisfied with the circle size, what you need to do? You need to leave the mouse first. That's it. Then leave the shift key. That's it. So that's it guys. Here in this lecture we have seen how we can use the ellipse tool and how we can draw a circle using ellipse. So till now, to sum it up, what we have learned? We have learned how we can use the rectangle tool. We have seen that using the rectangle tool we can draw simple rectangles, and also we can draw squares. How? Just by providing equal width and height. Remember? Again, next we have seen how we can use the rounded rectangle tool, and we have seen few interesting stuffs, right? Like how we can draw a square. Yes, a square, a rectangle, or a circle using rounded rectangle tool. And now in this lecture we have seen how we can draw a circle or an ellipse using the ellipse tool. This is the one. Okay, so that's it guys. In our next lecture we will take a look how we can use this polygon tool to create polygons, and there I will reveal few secrets, or you can say few tips and tricks that might be helpful for you in future. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care, and if you have an issue understanding some concept, always feel free to let me know. Thank you.